Welcome back to Medicine Made Easy with me Kavya Tendral, and this video will discuss about gram-negative cocci, how to differentiate the bacteria under the genus Neisseria, Moraxella and Veillonella. If you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Let's now proceed into the topic. Neisseria, Moraxella and Veillonella falls under gram-negative cocci. Veillonella differs from Neisseria and Moraxella by being non-sporing anaerobe. Neisseria moraxella differs from one another by fermenting carbohydrate. Here, Neisseria will ferment carbohydrate, but moraxella will not ferment carbohydrate. When we take moraxella, we have two species. One is Moraxella lacunata and the other is Moraxella catarrhalis. Moraxella lacunata cause conjunctivitis, especially angular conjunctivitis. Moraxella catarrhalis cause respiratory tract infection, especially LRTI and otitis media, and that too in old age with COPD patients. Thereby, now we'll see the characteristics of Moraxella. Already we know it is gram-negative cocci. After knowing the differentiation point by not fermenting carbohydrate, extra point here is Moraxella species will give a positive test for tributylin hydrolysis, also gives positive test for DNase. Now we'll move on to Neisseria. We know about Neisseria, it is gram-negative cocci and it ferments carbohydrate. Neisseria are two. One is pathogenic, other is non-pathogenic. Non-pathogenic Neisseria are commensals. Pathogenic are two, and both of these are diplococci. The pathogenic diplococci has few characteristic features by showing oxidase and catalase positive reaction, being non-motile, and also being aerobic. Pathogenic diplococci, one is Neisseria meningitidis, the other is Neisseria gonorrhea. Meningitis and gonorrhea differ by 2 points. One is a capsule, the other is a shape. Capsule is present in Neisseria meningitidis and capsule is not present in gonorrhea. Shape. The Neisseria meningitidis is in a half moon shape. Neisseria gonorrhea is a kidney shape. Diplococci. Now to concise. Under gram-negative cocci, we have three: Neisseria, Moraxella, Veillonella. Of these three, Veillonella differs by being anaerobe and commensal. Neisseria and Moraxella differs by carbohydrate fermentation. Neisseria meningitidis, Neisseria gonorrhea differs by Neisseria meningitidis has capsule and it is half moon shape. Neisseria gonorrhea doesn't have capsule and it is kidney shape. To extra point, the carbohydrate that fermented by Neisseria meningitidis is maltose glucose. To remember, meningitis has M and G into this name, so we'll remember maltose and glucose. It ferments. When it comes to gonorrhea, it, it ferments glucose, G. Thank you so much for your patient listening.